Hi, welcome, beautiful people. One thing that I often teach my clients is that you are not your emotions. I am not my emotions. I'm having an experience of a particular emotion. The problem is that language kind of plays, a bad trick on us, because we say, I am angry, I am sad, I am this, I am that. We're putting our identity connected to the emotion, when in reality it should be, I am experiencing X or Y. I am experiencing sadness or anger. What's the difference? What's the important thing about this? If I know I am just experiencing an emotion, it is very clear in my mind that the emotion and who I am are two separate things. I am not this emotion. And if I am separate from the emotion, I can separate myself even more. So let's say I'm having a particularly bad day. I'm experiencing a lot of anger. I don't know. I'm stressed. I'm at work and I'm angry. If I think I am angry, I am connecting myself to the emotion, which basically makes it impossible for me to separate myself from the emotion. But if I think I am experiencing the anger, that allows me to be the observer. And as the observer, I can change the angle of observation. The moment that I see it in a different light, that's the moment that I can free myself from the emotion. I can understand that I no longer need that emotion. So practice saying I am experiencing X or Y instead of I am X or Y. That allows you to separate. In NLP is often said that you always use symbolisms, right? So every emotion has a symbolic color to it. Every emotion has a symbolic shape or size or anything. So you start to identify the emotion, you start to identify what the symbol of the emotion is, and you can even easier detach yourself from it. And then once you regain your peace, the ability to control the emotion instead of being controlled by the emotion, that's when you can make a decision that either you use the emotion for your own growth or you let the emotion go. So you're not the emotion. Keep that in mind. Anytime that you're having any experience that it's unpleasant, remind yourself, I'm not this emotion. I'm just experiencing it. I promise you that's going to help you a lot. Thank you for being with me through this video. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.